Question 1. Which one of the following is not the characteristics of chemical reaction? Answer C. Reversibility. Question 2. In the following oxides, which is magnetic iron oxide? Answer A. Fe3O4. Question 3. Reaction of magnesium with air is? Answer A. Exothermic reaction. Question 4. What chemicals are used in fireworks? Answer D. All of above. Question 5. Color of solid magnesium is? Answer B. Silver grey. Question 6. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water? Answer B. White precipitate of CaCO3 is formed. Question 7. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, the ash formed is? Answer B. White. Question 8. Color of magnesium oxide is? Answer A. White. Question 9. When crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube? Answer D. A yellow residue is left. Question 10. If magnesium is gently heated, it forms? Answer A. Magnesium oxide. Question 11. In given equation, which is the color of precipitate PbOH2? Answer D. White color. Question 12. In given equation, which color of precipitate copper hydroxide? Answer B. Blue color. Question 13. What is the moles of sodium needed to balance given equation? Answer D. 4. Question 14. State of SO2 in the given reaction. Answer C. Gaseous. Question 15. Moles of O2 in given equation. Answer C. 5. Question 16. Moles of oxygen needed to balance given equation. Answer A. 1. Question 17. What is the moles of Al needed to balance given equation? Answer D. 4. Question 18. Which one of the given process involves chemical reactions? Answer D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature. Question 19. Which is the correct reaction with correct states? Answer C. Question 20. The reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds is called? Answer C. Double displacement reaction. Question 21. On immersing an iron nail in CuSO4 solution for a few minutes, you will observe. Answer D. The color of solution changes to green. Question 22. Which of the given statements is not a physical change? Answer D. Combustion of LPG. Question 23. An element X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown and a new compound Y is formed. The substances X and Y are. Answer A. X Fe and Y Fe2O3. Question 24. The reaction of H2 gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of. Answer A. Combustion reaction. Question 25. Rancidity can be prevented by. Answer D. All of these. Question 26. In which of the given heat energy will be evolved? Answer C. Burning of LPG. Question 27. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc taken in a test tube. Which is the correct observation? Answer D. A colorless and odorless gas is evolved. Question 28. Given reaction is an example of. Answer C. Displacement and neutralization reaction. Question 29. In given equation, which is the color of calcium hydroxide? Answer D. White color. Question 30. Which of the following are exothermic processes? Answer A. Reaction of water with quicklime and sublimation of camphor. Question 31. Chemical formula of rust. Answer D. None of these. Question 32. Both CO2 and H2 gases are. Answer B. Colorless. Question 33. Which of the given gases can be used for storage of fresh samples of an oil for a long time? Answer B. Nitrogen or helium. Question 34. Which is the coefficient of nitrogen dioxide in given equation? Answer D. 4. Question 35. We store silver chloride in a dark colored bottle because it is. Answer C. To avoid action by sunlight. Question 36. Silver article turns black when kept in the open for a few days due to formation of. Answer D. Ag2S. Question 37. The removal of oxygen from a substance is called. Answer C. Reduction. Question 38. Which of the given products is formed when calcium oxide reacts with water? Answer A. Slaked lime. Question 39. Which is the other name for quicklime? Answer B. Calcium oxide. Question 40. Which is the chemical name for slaked lime? Answer C. Calcium hydroxide. Question 41. Which of the following is an exothermic process? Answer D. Both. B and D examples. Question 42. Which of the given gases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? Answer D. Helium or nitrogen. Question 43. Fatty foods become rancid due to the process of. Answer A. Oxidation. Question 44. Which information is not conveyed by a balanced chemical equation? Answer D. Whether a particular reaction is actually feasible or not. Question 45. The chemical formula of lead sulfate is. Answer C. PbSO4. Question 46. In writing chemical equations, inclusion of state symbols shall be done while. Answer C. The equation has been balanced. Question 47. Which of the following statements about the given reaction are correct? Answer C. A, B and D. Question 48. A dilute ferrous sulfate solution was gradually added to the beaker containing acidified permanganate solution. The light purple color of the solution fades and finally disappears. Which of the given equation is the correct explanation for the observation? Answer A. KMNO4 is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes FeSO4. Question 49. Which among the following statements is true? Exposure of silver chloride to sunlight for a long duration turns grey due to. Answer A. Only A. Question 50. Solid calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide accompanied by libration of heat. This process is called slaking of lime. Calcium hydroxide dissolves in water to form its solution called lime water. Which among the following is are true about slaking of lime and the solution formed? Answer B. B and C. Question 51. Barium chloride on reacting with ammonium sulfate forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which of the following correctly represent the type of the reaction involved? Answer D. B and D. Question 52. Which of the given can be used in place of lead nitrate? Answer B. Lead acetate. Question 53. Which of the following does not involve a chemical reaction? Answer D. Melting of candle wax on heating. Question 54. An acid which can decolorized purple colored potassium permanganate solution is. Answer B. Citric acid. Question 55. The chemical equations are balanced to satisfy one of the following laws in chemical reactions. This law is known as. Answer B. Law of conservation of mass. Question 56. In order to prevent the spoilage of potato chips, they are packed in plastic bags in an atmosphere of. आंसर सी N2। क्वेश्चन 57, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन बी डिकम्पोज्ड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ लाइट। सभी स्टूडेंट्स को इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे कमेंट करना है